Yung kung may isang tao o isang bagay na pupunta ka rin sa tapat ng bahay niya para lang makita siya.
If we're talking about a certain person, si Ana.
May mga times ba na mutikan ka na mag-quit talaga?
Oh, a lot of times.
How close to you were sa totally giving up volleyball? What's the craziest thing na nagawa mo for love? Hi guys! Welcome to Luis Listens. Yes, ang kasama natin ngayon sa ang kasama natin sa Luis Listens, walang iba, si Boss D. Dina Wong, everyone. Thank you very much.
Hello po.
Maraming salamat sa pagbisita dito sa Luis Listens. Anong pakiramdam na nandito ka at maya-maya itutuloy na natin ang usapan sa aking show?
It feels so cold.
Nilalamig ka. So paano pa kaya ako? Tingin mo hindi ako nilalamig sa lagay na to?
Parang hindi naman po.
Alam mo, Dina, mula nung nag-vlog ako, parang pagkagising ko pa lang sa umaga, pangalan mo na nakikita ko, na i-guest ka. Patulog ako, pangalan mo nakikita ko. Parang ikaw na nagpapaikot ng buhay ko. Lahat pagkagising, pati mami ko, guest mo si Dina, anak, guest mo si Dina. So eto, finally, thank you very much sa pagpunta dito at maraming salamat sa ating pamilya, the Choco Mucho family at sa Rebiesco family. Thank you very much. Handa ka ba sa aking mga katanungan? Dahil ang mga katanungan ko, ayokong mga lokohan. Gusto ko seryosong mga kasagutan ang tanging ibibigay mo sa Luis Listens.
Seryoso din naman ako. Ikaw ata hindi eh. Tumatawa ka lagi.
Okay, seryoso. Natatawa ako dahil ang aking mga katanungan ay hindi biro. Ang aking katanungan ay binigay ko sa mga 82 researchers. Dina, ready ka na ba?
Sige po.
Ang unang katanungan ko para kay Dina, bakit ganyan ang spelling ng Dina mo? Nagtitrip ka lang ba? May dala ka mang birth certificate kasi mamaya pinagtitripan mo lang kami. Dahil 99.9% ng Dina na kilala ko is D-I-N-A. Bakit ganyan ang spelling ng Dina mo?
It's a mixture of my dad's name.
Okay.
So my dad's name is Dean Wong.
Dean.
Yeah.
Okay.
So parang iniba lang ni mommy na since syempre I'm a girl, so Dean na. So parang para something unique, something different naman. So yun.
Di na yun?
Yun na yun.
Akala ko ang haba ng sagot niya. Di na ba?
Hindi kailangan mahaba yung mga sagot.
Hindi kailangan mahaba ang sagot. Basta importante.
Kung malinaw naman po.
Kaya yumakap siya sa akin at ako.
Ay, may ganon.
Sige.
Aba,
Ito na po, ito na.
So, ibig sabihin, bibigay ko na sa iyo mga katanungan ko. Pangalawa, marami nagsasabi na kamukha mo isa sa mga TikTok, YouTube stars, si Niana Guerrero. Ano ang pakiramdam mo pag naririnig mo ang mga komento na yun, lalong-lalo na pag humahataw ka sa TikTok?
No.
Parang honored ako na parang sinasabi nila yun. Pero honestly, I really don't see the resemblance talaga sa mukha namin. So sana yung sinasabi lang nila yung sayaw pareho. Pero I don't think that's even true. So,
Usapang sayaw. Pag sinabi mong salitang sayaw, parang hinamon mo ako. Di na.
tara!
Tara!
One,
One,
two,
two,
three,
three,
four.
four. Ibagsak natin ang music. Baka bumilib ka ng hindi oras, ah. Seryoso, baka bumilib ka ng hindi oras pag nakita mo paano ako gumalaw.
Baka matakot ako.
Hindi na sinasabi ko sa'yo, hindi mo kakalimutan tong araw na to.
September 2.
Okay. And, music please.
Kaya yumakap siya sa akin at ako'y hinalikan. Nanggigigil siya sa akin.
Oh, stop na. Wala kaming budget para bayaran yung kantang yon. Thank you very much, Dina. Okay, so nakapag-warm up na tayo. So eto, balikan natin simulat sa pool pagkabata ka. When you were younger, gusto mo ba agad-agad maging volleyball player, volleyball star?
Actually, no.
Okay.
So, when I was a kid kasi, my first sport was really basketball.
Okay.
Yeah, because my dad was a basketball player in our province. But then kasi sa Cebu, there were no basketball for girls. So, the popular or, yung kilalang sport talaga for girls was really volleyball.
Okay.
And it was also famous in our school. Parang me talaga, bukod naman sa basketball, sporty talaga na tao. So, if it meant na parang using a ball, edi I'd go for it. So, yun,
Jackstone,
parang...
ball din yun eh. Ba't di ka nag-varsity sa Jackstone?
Meron ba?
Wala ka ba sa school mo? Sa school namin meron Jackstone.
Anong name? Anong name?
Mefair.
Wala decision!
Wala akong maisip. Hindi, kailan mo na-realize na kung may konting talent? Kasi I guess we all agree for athletes, it's always, talent meets hard work.
Yes.
Diba? Kailan mo na-realize na medyo, okay, meron akong pundasyon siguro na talent?
Ng volleyball?
Yes.
Siguro nasabi ko nung nag-try out for varsity team. I was grade 6. So it wasn't really something I planned on becoming or joining part of the team. It was just really something na just because I wanted to play. Pero nakita ko nung coach nung varsity team namin sa school and doon na nagsimula lahat.
Alam mo, nakikita ko kay Dina, sobrang, kumbaga, dalawa ang persona mo. When you're on the court, grabe yung intensity mo pag tumatalon ka, pa nagse-celebrate ka. Pero pag kinakausap ka naman, you're such a meek person. Okay, so nung estudyante ka, yung kunwari nasa classroom ka, alin ka doon? Ikaw ba yung makulit sa classroom? Ikaw ba yung palagi nagpapatawa? Kasi syempre nakikita ko na you're out there. Your emotions are also out there when you celebrate. Or ganyan ka katahimik sa classroom. Grade school, high school.
It depends on the people you're with. So actually nung college, mahihain ako. So,
okay.
Yeah, kasi...
Well, hanggang ngayon naman. Actually, first time ko naman nakilala si... Ako baka palmukha ako, alam niyo naman yun. Pero nararamdaman mo yung despite your stature na people go crazy about you, kumbaga hindi nawala yung hiya at yung humility mo.
Thank you. Siguro, for me kasi, I think that's why mahihain ako. It's because iba kasi yung surrounding sa Cebu from Manila. So I think that's why.
Yeah, yung gusto ko malaman. What's the difference
Province to a city, it's
Okay.
really different people, different personality. So that's why nahihain. Pero as time passes by naman, lalo na when I get to know the people you're with or what you're doing, nagre-reveal yung totoong ako, which is yung nagpapatawa ako, makulit ako, which people don't know.
Yeah, actually, for what it's worth, nagulat din ako na nangungulit din talaga si Dina. Seryoso, I mean, alam niyo po, totoo din yan. Kaya minsan nagtataka kayo sa ibang mga tao kung bakit, ba't dati hindi naman siya ganun? Or bakit nung bata kami hindi ganun? O nagkakataon lang kasi na, kumbaga, she's not with the clique na she's supposed to be with.
Or baka getting to know or getting there pa siguro.
Or kumbaga, breaking out of her shell. Di ba? Exacto. What's one thing kaya, Dina, sa buhay mo na nag-contribute ng sobra to make you the volleyball star or the person that you are now?
If we're talking about volleyball, all the trainings I've been through the past years, I think in training kasi you get to be able to hone your skills and really improve yourself as a player day to day. No matter gaano ka tagal ng oras ng training o gaano ka haba, 'di ba? Pero if it's the person that I am right now, I would say all of the people who were there since day one. So if it weren't for them, let's say my family, my closest friends, my teammates, sila, my management. So it's because of them kung bakit ako ganito ngayon. Kasi syempre through their guidance and help, kaya ako naging ganito din.
Ang sarap goes the other way at like, diba? Sabihin ko lang na kaya mo naabot yan. And at the same time, yung mga people na binanggit mo, they keep you grounded.
Yes.
Diba?
Always.
Yung pinakamaganda, madali lang gumanon eh. Honestly po, madaling sumikat, madaling lahat. Pero to have a support system to keep you truly and genuinely grounded, yun ang pinakamahirap din makuha this day and age, no?
Yes.
Eto, may mga times ba na mutikan ka na mag-quit talaga?
Oh, a lot of times.
Ano yung nagpapakit? Is it may pagod ba? Or let's say na, for some people, mabulyawan ka ng coach mo, ayaw mo na, your family didn't approve. How close to you were sa totally giving up volleyball?
At the edge or like peak of it. Kasi hindi naman maiwasan na you really go through a lot of difficulties and hardships and problems in life. Pero what I always say to myself and what I always say to other people is whenever you think of quitting, remember why you started it in the first place. So yun talaga yung pinanghawakan ko. Kasi alam ko naman na maging worth it lahat sa dulo eh.
You need something to put you back on track sa lahat ng pinagdaraanan mo.
Know your why.
Know your why. Diba? Yan, eksakto. Know your why. Grabe yung lalim. Ay, naiiyak ako.
Iyak ka muna, sige.
Okay na ako. Recover na ako. Ito ang tanong ko sa'yo. Not every day is a good day for anyone. Athlete ka, normal person ka. So let's say na meron kang bit-bit that day. Tapos meron ka sobrang importanteng laban. Nababanlaw mo ba yon before you step on the court? Or kahit pa paano, it's a lingering thought kung ano man yun.
I think that's where the challenge of your mentality goes in. Some people, well, we can't blame them kasi hindi din natin maiwasan na sa sobrang bigat ng problema.
Dala
You
nila.
can't really focus on what you're doing, not just in sports. Let's say your work or
Yeah.
something else that you're doing. Siguro, I think it takes time na you really have to take it day by day na sa araw, hanggang sumabot ka ng araw na kaya mo na. Na kahit sobrang hirap na, kailangan mo rin maging mature na you really have to be able to focus and do what you have to do in game.
Napapansin mo ba na pag kunwari sabi mo nga, may pinagdaraanan ka and then a game comes along, mas gumagaling ka?
I don't think it's the term gumagaling, but I think it's keeping you motivated pa more. Bringing out that competitiveness more of you as a player. So, me kasi, pag may ganun, parang I turn it into a positive side na parang I use it as a motivation for
Okay.
me to do better or to do my best sa game.
Sabi ko nga kanina, like, getting to know you, may makulit side ka, may intense side ka, may meek side ka. So, papaano si Dina pag in love or nagmamahal? Ayan.
What do you mean by paano? Char.
No, but ikaw ba yung, di ba dalawa kasi yan ang personality ng tao, ang sinasabi nila when it comes to love din, aso o pusa. Di, totoo yan. Yung aso is mas affectionate ka. Kasi ang aso, pumasok ka pala ng kwarto, pupunta yun. Ang pusa, you have to work, di ba, for their affection. So, saan ka doon? Ikaw ba yung mas malambing, ikaw yung nag-e-effort, or kumbaga, ikaw nakasanayan mo lang na mas nag-e-effort sa'yo?
Neutral, siguro. Neutral. But going back to your question, yung
Yes.
paano ako,
One word, paano magmahal?
for me,
Si Dina.
syempre mas kilala ko naman talaga. Ako yung taong kilala yung sarili ko. Totoo. Totoo.
Kasi sometimes pag sinabi mong totoo magmahal, ang naisip ng tao na baka may mga pagmamahal kasi minsan at one point you may sacrifice a few things. Sinasabi nila pag sobrang in love ka rin, nagiging tunnel vision ka, ikaw umaabot ka ba sa ganun? Kasi ako guilty ako dati, nung lalo-lalo na mga puppy love, yung kumbaga medyo wala ka ng pakialam sa lahat. Ang pinapansin mo lang, you're one and only. Diba? Magunaw na yung mundo, basta siya yung nasa harap ko, okay lang. Ganun ka ba? Or still you get to balance everything out?
I admit, I was in that stage before. Pero syempre, sabi ko nga, through every situation, you get to learn from those experiences. So, syempre now, you get to balance stuff na.
What's the craziest thing na nagawa mo or nagawa sa'yo for love?
Nagawa ko. Craziest thing.
Oo. Nag-swimming ka ba mula Manila Katiklan para makita yung tao na yun? Tinakbo mo ba ang Manila Pagudpod para dahil nandun siya?
Parang in general, I think I was able to sacrifice things na hindi ko akalain na ma-sacrifice ko.
And
Yun
speaking of love, alam mo, isa ka sa hinahangaan sa LGBTQIA community. Kumbaga, people be, okay, sana ganyan din yung journey ko na parang si Dina. Was it easy for you to be part of the community?
Oh no, it was really hard.
We have such beautiful stories na whether it be from whatever aspect of the community, yung pagka lumabas sila sa parents, they get a hug, then a kiss. Then we have unfortunate stories na pag nalaman ng parents nila, umaabot sa hindi magandang enkwentro. So, nasaan ka doon?
The latter, I think.
Umabot sa ganun?
Parang it wasn't something easy. So, syempre, my parents, they have their own beliefs and I have different the beliefs. So, pero if it means kasi na you get to hide who you really are, ayoko ng ganun. So, syempre, nandito tayo sa buhay na to para maging masaya. If it's one thing that makes me happy, gagawin ko talaga.
At, pinaka-importante, wala ka naman tinatapakan.
Totoo. Kung wala kang gawing mali.
Wala kang ginagawang mali, wala kang inaagrabyado. You're being who you are, nagmamahal at minamahal. Diba? Naalala ko to, this was a while back on social media, na paglabas mo ng bahay, and I'm sure you've answered this countless times. Paglabas mo ng bahay, there was a sea of people. Yung mga tagahanga mo, how was that? Kasi kahit yung mga kilala ko, some of the biggest celebrities, mga artista, hindi pa nangyayari sa kanila yan. Never. Pero how did it feel for you? Na kita ko nga, from a very simple life, diba? Sa probinsya, sabi mo nga, diba? Tapos bigla na lang ganun. How was it?
It feels overwhelming. Parang sa sarili ko, I guess I have an idea why. Sometimes I also don't have an idea why. But there's also that, parang lagi ka rin nag-wonder kung bakit talaga.
So many people reacted. na syempre nakita nga nila na ay hinahangaan talaga syempre si Dina. At the same time, there were some people saying na ano naman natin yung privacy ng bata. 'Di ba? Na kumbaga iba yung court, iba yung trabaho pa na kailangan niyang gawin, pero iba naman yung sarili niyang pamamahay. What were your thoughts behind that?
Alam mo yung parang feeling mo ay some people understand your situation, but you can't really also blame other people na I get them like malayo sila nang galing just to be able to see the person they admire the most. So I really understand. But you know, parang we also have to be able to learn our limitations rin na yun nga, tao pa rin tayo. So we have to have our own personal space din.
Kahit sa akin po, and I'm sure ganun kay Dina, we're very thankful po sa lahat ng mga humahanga sa amin.
Nevertheless, very
lahat ng
thankful.
na-enjoy natin sa buhay is also because of them.
Actually.
Diba? But at the same time, yung paano mo i-explain na sometimes we need that personal space. Dahil tayo, alam din natin na ang sarap din maging fan. Diba? Ang sarap. Ako, pag nanood ako ng UFC, for example, pag iba yung feeling, parang ganun, ang sarap maging fan. Ikaw, what are you a fan of? Yung ganun din. Yung kung may isang tao o isang bagay na pupunta ka rin sa tapat ng bahay niya para lang makita siya.
Ay, siguro hindi naman naabot ng ganun.
Oo,
But
pero
if
yung
we're
talagang-
talking about a certain person,
Oo.
si Zac Efron.
Si Zac!
Efron.
Oh my God! Wait lang.
Ang layo kasi niya nasa States eh.
Si
Zac Efron.
Akala mo tiga-States yun? Mali.
Ay, if
Zac
you're talking about
Efron.
yourself, ha?
Si Zac, kasi yung umaarte sa high school
Yes.
musical and Baywatch ba yun?
Yeah.
Si Zac, tiga Mabalacat lang yun. Akala ng lahat, tiga-state siya. Tiga Mabalacat, Pampanga lang yun.
Okay.
Bakit si Zac Efron?
I think it's because also of High School Musical. It was her favorite movie.
Kasi seryoso sabi ko nga, di ba? Like what I said, na hindi ko ma-imagine na even the biggest celebrities, hindi na pagdaanan yan. Yan yung reaction ng family mo nun.
Siyempre sila, lalo ng parents ko, natutuwa sila.
Actually, labas ka!
Ay, si mommy, ganun talaga. Pero, yun din, I also understand their point of view na they're just proud parents.
I'm sure.
Pero
Sure.
syempre, dapat rin, yun nga, lagi kong sinasabi na when you go home, you wanna be able to relax. I mean, hindi
Yes.
naman sa yung mga tao, yung mga fans is like something that bothers us. Syempre, grateful kami. Kasi
Oo,
syempre,
well.
hindi naman kami darating dito because without them or
Yes,
because
yes.
of them. But yun nga, parang a time to just be able to be with your family lang nang walang isiping
Tahimik,
volleyball.
no?
Yeah.
Parang ang sarap din
Yeah.
kasi, hindi mo masarap. Pero, kumbaga, sana some people din, di ba, would understand na minsan pag umuwi tayo, we detach from that public persona. Di ba na minsan ang sarap lang maging anak. Di ba? Hindi yung Dina Wong, the volleyball star, or the endorser, the athlete, yung gusto mong balikan lang ang pagiging anak.
Bata.
But with that stature, na lahat pupunta sa bahay mo, everything, sa kasikatan na yan, ang kasama niyan, dashing. Regardless, anything na mapuna sa'yo, anything, ano ang pakiramdam na it comes to a point na naghahanap na sila ng mali?
Sa akin, I accept whatever they have to say. And,
Wow.
parang, yun nga, wala naman kasi tayong control kung anong sasabihin nila. But what we can control is how we react to it. So, sa akin, ang accept ko, if it's something that's not true, I ignore it. But if parang, syempre may iba namang tao na parang what they say makes sense.
Okay.
So, I learned from it, I accept it, and parang, like, gagawin ko yung best ko sa
Do
training.
you fight back?
No. I don't. I just stay quiet lang.
Ang
Let
fairness
your
mo
work
ba?
do it.
Pero
Parang-
ang fairness mo ba? Kasi syempre may magulang tayo, dalawang magulang. It's either, anak lumaban ka, sumagot ka. May magulang naman na ako sasagot para sa'yo.
Meron.
Anong sinasabi nila para sa'yo?
Wala naman silang sasabihin sa akin, pero sila yung
Lumalaban.
sa mga...
May nakaano ka na, may nakaharap ka na na basher mo. Yung whatever basher, yung nasabi niya sa'yo. Kung kunwari ako, basher mo, tapos makita kita, mamaya ganun mo lang ako, wala na ako, tapos na ako.
Sa kapunta to the moon.
Oh,
So
sabihin,
far, wala
"Ay, di
naman."
ganyan. Pumunta sa ilalim niya, ganyan mo. Wala na yun, aabot na ng Pluto yun.
So far, wala naman. I haven't experienced such a thing.
Kasi yung bashing, it's a form of bullying. Diba,
Yeah.
regardless. Nagkakataon lang kasi na kayo, nasa public eye kayo, so more people see it.
Yes.
But it's still a basic form of bullying. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa mga tao na kahit yung mga students nararanasan yan, especially on social media, na nakakaranas ng mga klaseng pagtrato from other people?
Actually, ang masabi ko lang is just really stay strong. And if you think that what they're saying is not true, wala. Don't be affected by it kasi ikaw yung talo if you do. Ako lagi kong ginagawa is just really do what you have to do good, do your best, and the rest will follow. Yun talaga. So, prove them wrong. Charot.
Napapansin ko nga din na volleyball is such a big sport now. Diba? And sabi ko, I'm happy for the league. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa mga bata ngayon na pinapanood kayo na nangangarap na, ay, sana ako yung next Dina Wong?
Don't give up. Never give up. If you really want to be able to achieve something or get something, it won't be handed to you in a silver platter. So you just really have to work hard for it. Maging ano ka lang, matyaga lang talaga. So, wag susuko.
So, eto tanong ko sa'yo, in 10 to 20 years, ano na kaya ang ginagawa ni Dina Wong ngayon?
Natutulog. Charis.
Babawi ka sa schedule mo.
Yeah. Hopefully, I'll be able to see myself settling, like, hopefully being successful in all aspects, and sana magta-travel.
Coaching, naisip mo ba?
No. No.
No, bakit? Bakit? Natural progression yan eh, di ba? Pagka athlete ka,
Maging coach, yeah.
maging coach ka, bakit?
Hindi ako magaling magturo. And I just really don't see myself being that kind of person na magko-coach. More of a player lang siguro.
Boss D, anong gusto mong sabihin sa lahat ng mga una nag-request sa'yo? At pangalawa, those who are supporting you through every up and down ng personal and professional life mo.
First and foremost, syempre, I want to be able to thank everyone kung sino man kayo nagre-request sa akin, and thank you to Sir Luis for this invite, syempre. And thank you for all the support. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
Share.
diba, share. Just really thank you. So, wouldn't be here without you guys, and hope you continue to support not just me, not just Choco Mucho, but the whole PBL this coming October. So, hope to see you guys there. Thank you. Dagang salamat.
At nakita ko nga dun sa video pa lang na people were outside your house. You're doing something right for so many people. So I guess, ang sarap, I just want to let you know na pagkagabi, kahit marami kang pinagdaraanan, even if it's a not so good day sa buhay mo, I hope you get to sleep well at night because so many people are looking up to you. And kumbaga, when people have their bad days, all they have to do is think of you at nalalampasan nila kung ano yung pinagdaraanan nila because they have Dina Wong as their inspiration.
And I think that's one great factor siguro na even if, yun nga, di mo alam ginawa mo, wala kang ginagawa, parang naging masaya yung tao dahil sa'yo. So, I think
Diba?
that's one thing na I'm really glad na I hear from all people.
Ako sobra akong na-inspire kay Dina. Katunayan, pag uwi ko, yung picture mo, ididikit ko sa buong pader ng bahay. Hindi ko alam paano ipapaliwanag sa misis ko. Pero pag uwi, yung buong wallpaper ng bedroom namin, lalagyan ko ng picture mo, nakapaskil lahat ng yun, kung okay lang sa'yo.
Sige ha, picturean mo ko ha.
Joke lang. Joke lang kasi yun.
Akala ko seryoso.
May baby nga kaming parating.
Akala ko
Masaya
seryoso.
pamilya ko, Dina. But seryoso, Dina, maraming salamat.
Thank you. Thank you.
I know you. You like keeping things private. This, kumbaga kahit gano'n ka ka-intense sa court, kahit paano, you want to enjoy your privacy din. So maraming
think all
salamat.
of
Thank you for guesting sa Luis Lessons.
Thank you.
At abangan nyo po sa next vlog ko. Abangan nyo. Para umabot ng 1 million views agad-agad. Eto na po. Sa next vlog ko, pagpiprito ako ng itlog sa bato ko. Hindi ko alam paano ako gagawin yun. Pero plano ko. Gusto mo manood? Punta ka dito?
Video mo na lang. Send mo na lang.
Pero thank you very much, guys. Like, subscribe, share, comment
Thank
kung
you.
sino gusto nyo makita sa Luis Lessons. And to your team, thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Choco Mucho family, maraming salamat. I'll see you soon. Rebisco family, mwah! Love you guys. Thank you for watching.
Ang tagal ko na din nag-interview.
Relax. Mukha bang kaseryoso? Honestly, Dina, mukha bang kaseryoso itong interview na to?
May answers lang.
Okay.
Alam mo ba, yung sasayaw sa'yo?
Tuturuan mo nga ako.
Like this.
Hanggang dito na lang. Okay, hanggang dyan na lang. Okay, may music ba tayo dyan?
Sarap din.
Uy, hahataw. Sige. Bigyan natin ng 2 seconds na humataw tong si Dina para... Okay. Ready?
Go. Si ate pa niya.
Last.
Dami-daming nagsasabi sa'kin sobrang gwapo ko. Lahat sila ay elip sa postura ko.